Hey guys, welcome back to the Mountainites. My name is Shahid and today I'm back with you with another video on how to maintain your overall hygiene. In the previous video, we talked specifically about how to maintain your foot hygiene. The link of this video is mentioned below in the description. Yes, so today we'll be talking specifically about how to maintain your overall hygiene when you're in the wilderness, in a trek or a mountaineering expedition. So before leaving for any trek, let's say for an example, the first thing that I would recommend you to do is trim your hair. The benefit of short hair is that it does not allow accumulation of too much sweat in it. And whenever you have to wash your head, you can always wash it easily with less amount of water. And if you're carrying, which I recommend you to carry, the less amount of soap or shampoo. Moving down the line, always have your clothes clean. And when you start moving towards your trek, when you're hiking, most of the people I've seen not wearing breathable clothes, as a result of which they oversweat. Hence, the overall affair becomes quite exhausting for them. So always wear breathable clothes as per the temperature and the terrain you are hiking. When you reach your destination, prefer washing your face, head and taking a bath. It's not necessary to bathe every day, but yes, it is recommended that whenever you feel your body needs to bathe, you must bathe. Personally, I don't mind bathing how cold the water is. But some of the things that you need to take into consideration while taking a bath in the wilderness is that you must take a bath when there is proper sunlight. Yes, even if there is no sunlight, you must take into consideration that your body is not exposed to the wind. If you're taking bath or if you have taken bath and suddenly your body get exposed to the wind, there will be high probability that you will be exposed to hypothermia. Once you're done with the bathing, prefer washing your clothes, your undergarments, your outer clothing, your socks, or whatsoever needs to be washed, or whatsoever has been contaminated or soaked with your sweat, that must be washed properly. Make proper use of the sunlight available. Dry your clothes that you have washed, dry your shoes, dry your equipment, your rucksack, your sleeping bag, and whatsoever needs to be dried. Make proper use of sunlight and dry it. In case there is no availability of water, make use of some of the things that you must be carrying along with yourselves. Wet wipes, your toilet paper, a sanitizer. These are the things that must be with you, but still I recommend if there is water available, use it for your use appropriately. Now comes a very important part of bathing. In case there is less water available or due to any circumstances you are not able to take a bath where you need to splash water on your body, you can always make use of towel. Yes, that's called as towel bathing. You can also add few drops of Dettol, for example, if you're carrying it, to clean the water, and soak your towel inside it and rinse it and wipe that towel on your body, preferably on your chest, your underarms, or wherever you find it necessary. In case you're not able to do the same, the wet wipes is always handy. Carry extra pair of undergarments and change it frequently as per the need. Do not keep yourself soaked inside the same clothing for long duration. It will just lead to more unhygienic environment with your body and inside your tent or wherever you are accommodating yourself amongst other fellow tent mates. So ladies and gentlemen, these were some of the tips that one must take into consideration to maintain overall hygiene. Down the line we'll be coming with some other videos to maintain your hygiene with respect to other factors. Stay tuned with us to follow the same.